Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. Befitting the red planet's bloody color, the Romans named it after their god of war. In truth, the Romans copied the ancient Greeks, who also named the planet after their god of war, Ares. Other civilizations also typically gave the planet names based on its color. For example, the Egyptians named it Her-Dasher, meaning the red one, while ancient Chinese astronomers dubbed it the fire star. The bright rust color Mars is known for is due to iron-rich minerals in its regolith, the loose dust and rock covering its surface. The soil of Earth is a kind of regolith, too, albeit one loaded with organic content. According to NASA, the iron minerals oxidize, or rust, causing the soil to look red. The planet's cold, thin atmosphere means liquid water likely cannot exist on the Martian surface for any appreciable length of time. Features called recurring slope linea may have spurts of briny water flowing on the surface, but this evidence is disputed. Some scientists argue the hydrogen spotted from orbit in this region may instead indicate briny soils. This means that although this desert planet is just half the diameter of Earth, it has the same amount of dry land. The red planet is home to both the highest mountain and the deepest, longest valley in the solar system. Olympus Mons is roughly 17 miles, 27 kilometers high, about 3 times as tall as Mount Everest, while the Valles Marineris system of valleys, named after the Mariner 9 probe that discovered it in 1971, reaches as deep as 6 miles, 10 kilometers, and runs east-west for roughly 2,500 miles, 4,000 kilometers, about one-fifth of the distance around Mars and close to the width of Australia. The red planet Mars, named for the Roman god of war, has long been an omen in the night sky. And in its own way, the planet's rusty red surface tells a story of destruction. Billions of years ago, the fourth planet from the Sun could have been mistaken for Earth's smaller twin, with liquid water on its surface and maybe even life. Now, the world is a cold, barren desert with few signs of liquid water. But after decades of study using orbiters, landers, and rovers, scientists have revealed Mars as a dynamic, wind-blown landscape that could, just maybe, harbor microbial life beneath its rusty surface even today. Longer year and shifting seasons. With a radius of 2,106 miles, Mars is the seventh largest planet in our solar system and about half the diameter of Earth. Its surface gravity is 37.5% of Earth's. Mars rotates on its axis every 24.6 Earth hours, defining the length of a Martian day, which is called a SALT, short for solar day. Mars's axis of rotation is tilted 25.2 degrees relative to the plane of the planet's orbit around the Sun, which helps give Mars seasons similar to those on Earth. Whichever hemisphere is tilted closer to the Sun experiences spring and summer, while the hemisphere tilted away gets fall and winter.